Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing credentials and resources. Create an Azure AD service principal and record the client ID, tenant ID, and client secret. Make sure your ADL's Gen 2 storage account has a container and hierarchical namespace enabled, because Databricks requires it for apps access. Assign the storage blob data contributor role to the service principal on either the container or the whole storage account. Once done, you have everything to configure Databricks, secrets, configs, and the exact mount path you will use. Now you configure Databricks to talk to ADLs. Create a secret scope and store the client secret, client ID, and tenant ID so you never hard-code credentials. Then set Spark Hadoop configuration keys, FS, Azure account, auth. Type to OAuth FS, Azure, account, OAuth, provider. Type to the ADAL token provider, and pass client ID, client secret, and tenant in the OAuth 2 client configs. Use the apps//container URL as your source. This tells dbutils which file system to mount. You finish by executing dbutils. FS. Mount with the app source, the destination mount point under /mnt, and the config map that pulls secrets. After mounting, immediately run dbutils. FS. ls on the mount to confirm file visibility, then set ACLs or owner permissions if you need finer access control. If the mount fails, verify the service principal's role assignment, check tenant and client ID, and confirm the secret is correct in the secret store. This single check fixes most authorization errors.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.